Copperleaf Portfolio SAP Edition enables direct integration between Copperleaf's industry-leading asset investment planning solution and SAP's intelligent asset management and enterprise project and portfolio management solutions. Copperleaf solutions help you choose the right work to do and the optimal time to do it, and SAP ensures you execute that work efficiently and accurately. The fact is, you need to do both to be a successful enterprise. Asset-intensive organizations typically have an abundance of worthwhile project opportunities, but limited resources with which to fund and execute work. So how do you determine the optimal set of projects to execute in order to deliver the greatest value to your stakeholders? That's where Copperleaf comes in. Our robust asset investment planning solutions ensure you're doing the right thing at the right time, based on an accurate view of your assets, thanks to integration with SAP's intelligent asset management solutions. Once a plan has been developed, effective, efficient execution is key to ensuring you realize that value. With Copperleaf and SAP together, you'll select the right work and you'll execute it well. Typically, organizations will start with a list of candidate investments, things they could potentially work on from across their business. Those might come from your need to sustain your assets, or they might be growth, transformation, or ESG-related initiatives important to your strategic objectives. You likely don't have the money or resources to do them all, so understanding how to make the best trade-offs between what you should do now and what can wait is the fundamental challenge. To do this, organizations need a framework to evaluate those disparate projects and an understanding of how risks, benefits, and costs change over time. The candidate investments are gathered into portfolios. Copperleaf's powerful optimization functionality helps you to make the trade-offs needed to recommend the optimal set of investment alternatives and start dates that maximize plan value, while meeting all of your funding, resource, or other business constraints. The environment in which you operate your business is in a constant state of change, which means your plans are constantly changing too. Unexpected emergent work can mean cutting budget from other programs. Shifting priorities might have you exploring investing more in environmental sustainability projects. Copperleaf allows you to explore all of these different scenarios and immediately understand the business impacts of your plans so you can make an informed decision about which plan you ultimately want to adopt. Once approved and funded, the plan is now handed over to SAP in order to manage execution, track spend, and create updated forecasts. As you execute, variances to your plan will naturally occur. Some projects may be delayed, others may be over or under their expected costs. The updated forecasts will be passed from SAP back to Copperleaf such that the impacts to the overall plan can be assessed. Do we need to defer work to offset cost overruns? Or do we need to bring work forward since some project delays have made additional funding available? Copperleaf allows you to easily re-optimize your plan to ensure you continue to get the most value from your portfolio given the reality of what happened on the ground. This closed feedback loop results in a continuous planning process within your business, ensuring you're always focusing your available resources on the projects that will deliver the most value. Finally, as you move to your next planning cycle, it's important that you have some form of retrospective to understand where you could have done better, what worked really well and what didn't, so we can continuously improve this process. Now, this section you see in the middle here represents asset investment planning, making decisions about where and when to invest. This is what Copperleaf does so well. This top section here represents intelligent asset management applications, such as your enterprise asset management and asset performance management systems, where asset data is collected, analyzed, and managed. The bottom swim lane represents work execution and management to get the most out of those projects. This and the top swim lane are what SAP does so well. With Copperleaf Portfolio SAP Edition, you get the best of Copperleaf and SAP together. Manitoba Hydro, Enexis, and many of the world's most respected organizations around the world leverage both Copperleaf and SAP solutions to create that seamless planning process all the way through to project execution in order to ensure they're making the best decisions around what work to do and then executing that work in the best way possible.